The modern Indian car market is crowded with aggressively styled, oversized SUVs and performance vehicles demanding premium price tags, many of which are ill-suited for daily urban congestion. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Baleno takes a different approach. It is a premium hatchback engineered specifically around everyday usability rather than dramatic performance. A reliable family car rarely needs high-speed overtaking power or rugged off-road capability. What it actually requires is a light clutch, predictable steering, and proportions that fit easily into tight parking spaces. By focusing relentlessly on these practical metrics, the Baleno is the default option for buyers who want a highly competent, low-maintenance daily commuter. The vehicle's appeal starts with its variant spread. Maruti offers 9 distinct configurations across petrol manual, auto gearshift, and factory-fitted CNG options. The entry point is highly accessible. The base Sigma manual transmission starts at 5.98 lakh rupees, ex-showroom in Delhi. Moving up the ladder, the Delta and Zeta trims capture the majority of buyers. These variants bundle the essential digital displays and comfort features required for city driving without inflating the budget. The lineup reaches its ceiling with the Alpha AGS, topping out at 9.09 lakh rupees. Buyers should note that on-road pricing varies significantly by state. Registration fees, road taxes, and insurance will add a substantial margin to these ex-showroom numbers, requiring a careful calculation of the true monthly EMI. This methodical pricing structure gives buyers precise control. You select the exact level of technology and comfort you want, avoiding steep financial jumps between trims. Under the hood sits a 1.2-liter K-Series dual-jet, dual VVT naturally aspirated engine. It delivers 88.5 brake horsepower, calibrated specifically for smooth, low-speed operation in stop-and-go traffic. This chart shows ARI-certified fuel efficiency ratings. The petrol manual achieves 22.35 kilometers per liter, while the AGS automatic edges it out at 22.94. Looking at the third column, the CNG option drops to 76.4 horsepower, but efficiency spikes to 30.61. For those choosing the automatic, the auto gear shift system removes the fatigue of constant clutching. However, as an automated manual transmission, the gear changes are noticeable and lack the completely fluid delivery of a CVT. There is also no turbo petrol option available anywhere in the lineup. Drivers looking for aggressive mid-range punch for highway overtaking will find the naturally aspirated setup lacking. Every engineering decision here points in one direction. The powertrains prioritize the strict daily economics of urban commuting over driver engagement. Inside the cabin, your digital experience is strictly determined by the trim level you select. The Delta and Zeta models establish a solid baseline. They feature a 17.78 centimeters SmartPlay touchscreen, equipped with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The Alpha trim expands that interface to a 22.86 centimeter display and introduces a heads-up display, projecting vehicle speed and critical data directly into the driver's line of sight. The Alpha variant also exclusively includes a 360-degree view camera. In heavily congested lanes and complex parking structures, this tool removes the guesswork from tight maneuvers. The technology suite avoids superfluous additions. Instead, it provides highly functional tools that actively reduce the stress of daily driving. When assessing a vehicle for primary family transport, active and passive safety mechanisms become the most critical metrics. Maruti provides a consistent safety baseline here. 6 airbags are standard, an electronic stability program, and hill hold assist across every variant. This visualization details the 2024 Bharat NCAP crash test results. The vehicle achieved a 4-star adult occupant rating, scoring 24.04 out of 32 points. Beside it, the child occupant rating sits lower, earning 3 stars with 34.81 out of 49 points. Buyers purchasing this primarily to transport young children must factor this specific lower score into their decision and manually verify the presence of ISOFIX child seat anchors in their chosen trim. The overarching safety equipment list is comprehensive for the price bracket, but the actual crash test data requires careful alignment with who will be sitting in the backseat. The physical dimensions balance opposing needs. At 3,990 millimeters long, the vehicle easily navigates tight, narrow Old City architecture, while the 2,520mm wheelbase preserves comfortable interior space for 4 adults. A 318-liter boot handles standard airport luggage or weekly groceries, and 170mm of ground clearance provides enough height to clear poorly maintained roads safely. Looking past the initial purchase, the vehicle benefits from the vast reach of Maruti's Nexa service network, ensuring easy access to maintenance and historically predictable resale value years down the line. When positioned against competitors like the Hyundai i20 or Toyota Glanza, this hatchback holds its ground firmly on pure feature-to-price value. It avoids the temptation to be a sports car. Its success comes entirely from mastering the unglamorous, highly repetitive tasks of daily commuting. For the pragmatic driver navigating 2026, the Baleno delivers exactly what is required. It is a highly calculated, sensible choice for urban life.